protein content of any food that you eat. You can put it on salads, you can put it on eggs, you can mix it with rice. Just about anything mixes with these hemp seeds, and they have a nice, great smoky flavor. So let's get started. We start with our plain Greek non-fat yogurt. We're going to take a cup of plain Greek yogurt, which is, we're not going to measure it that close. We're going to dump that plain Greek yogurt in there, and then I'm going to take either a tablespoon or two of our hemp seeds, or a tablespoon of chia seeds. Like I said, I personally prefer the hemp seed. I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of these hemp seeds. You're going to get 10 grams of protein and only 1 gram of carbs and sugar inside of this. And then I'm going to take 4 or 5 of these organic blueberries, and we're going to pop those in there. Just a light fistful of the organic blueberries right there on top. It's going to look just like that. Take your spoon, you mix these up, and you have an extraordinarily tasty, protein-rich food in about 3 minutes. Thank you for watching.